Hello, I'm Dennis, and I'm excited to share with you my teaching style and experience as an English language instructor. As a teacher, I believe in creating a supportive and engaging learning environment that fosters student-centered learning. I encourage my student to take an active role in their learning, and I provide them with the tools and guidance they need to succeed. My teaching style is interactive, dynamic, and tailored to the need of each individual learner. I use variety of teaching methods, including discussion, role plays, and multimedia presentations to keep my student engaged and motivated. I have 5 years of experience teaching financial literacy, and I've had the pleasure working with students from diverse backgrounds and cultures. In my previous role at financial institution, I taught financial literacy such as savings, micro entrepreneurs related. So since I am National Certificate Microfinance Technology holder, I developed and implemented curriculum materials to support student learning.